Here's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The Silverado 1500 is built to last because you don't build a legacy on chance. It's well equipped with the features you need: V8 engine, gas pressurized shocks, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, streaming audio, power tilt-down heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, aluminum wheels, rear-wheel drive, streaming video feed rear view mirror, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Lakeside Chevrolet is your new and used Dallas Chevrolet leader at 2005 South Goliad Street in Rockwall, Texas, just minutes from Garland and Dallas.